Shockwaves are being sent through the global economy, not by the usual suspects, but by India, a rising economic titan. Recording a growth rate of 7.8% year-on-year in the second quarter, India has surged ahead as the fastest-growing major economy in the world. So, what's fueling this economic powerhouse? A combination of factors are at play here. On the home front, domestic demand and capital investment are driving growth. Households are spending, and they're spending well, thanks to improvements in the labor market. This consumption is a vital cog in the wheel of India's economic machinery. But that's not all. The Indian government, with its keen eye on growth, has implemented measures to bolster infrastructure. The budget, a significant part of the government's strategy, is designed to stimulate the economy. It's a delicate balancing act, and so far it's paying off. The deficit reduction and the debt-to-GDP ratio are on track, a testament to the government's economic stewardship. Now, let's turn our attention to the Indian rupee. Amid a fluctuating global market, the rupee has shown resilience. It's the third best performing currency in the Asia-Pacific region. Stability is key here, with the Reserve Bank of India's interventions playing a crucial role in maintaining the rupee's strength. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. India's exports have seen a decline, particularly in the jewelry sector. Bans on agricultural product exports have added to this gloom. Despite these challenges, the financial account of the balance of payments, which includes foreign direct investment and other investments, has been supportive. With an economy firing on all cylinders, India positions itself as a global economic powerhouse. Yet every silver lining has a cloud. Despite India's remarkable growth, it grapples with challenges such as a decline in exports, particularly in the jewelry sector, and bans on agricultural product exports. This downturn is not to be taken lightly, as it can impact the overall health of the economy, potentially hindering its growth trajectory. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The financial account of the balance of payments, which includes foreign direct investment and other investments, has been playing a supportive role in the economy. The inflow of foreign direct investment can stimulate economic growth by providing the much-needed capital for various sectors, thereby fostering job creation and technological advancements. Furthermore, the recent announcement of JP Morgan including Indian government bonds in its emerging market bond index is a pivotal moment for the country. This inclusion is expected to attract substantial foreign capital inflows. The implications of this move are far-reaching. It not only underlines the confidence of international investors in the Indian economy, but also provides a much-needed boost to the country's capital market. Yet, as India continues to rise, it must also grapple with the challenges that come with it. The decline in exports needs to be addressed, and the country must find ways to diversify its export base. The ban on agricultural product exports could also have significant implications for the agricultural sector, which is a critical pillar of the Indian economy. But let's not forget, challenges often breed opportunities. The decline in exports could prompt India to innovate and explore new markets, while the agricultural export ban could spur the country to improve its domestic agricultural practices and enhance food security. So, as we look to the future, we see a dynamic landscape. The Indian economy, like any other, is not immune to challenges. However, its resilience and adaptability have shown that it is more than capable of turning these challenges into opportunities. As India navigates these waters, the nation's economic future is a tale of both challenges and opportunities. The future holds a monumental shift. In 2023, India is projected to surpass China as the world's most populous country, with both nations housing over 1.4 billion residents. This demographic shift, as colossal as it may be, is not just about numbers. It's about the ripple effects that these numbers will have on India's economy, its place on the global stage, and its future trajectory. With a population surge comes an increase in the labor pool. This burgeoning workforce has the potential to drive economic growth, stimulate domestic demand, and boost capital investment. A larger population could also mean a larger consumer market, which could attract more foreign direct investment, further bolstering India's economic prowess. Yet, alongside these opportunities, challenges also arise. The high fertility rates driving this population boom could pose significant obstacles to economic growth. As the United Nations report warns, managing such rapid population growth could strain resources, infrastructure, and social services. In the face of these challenges, the Indian government has shown resolve. It's focusing on public investment, stimulating private investment and demand, and bolstering infrastructure. The government's commitment to growth is evident in its ambitious budget, which aims to boost economic growth and infrastructure development. Moreover, the recent inclusion of Indian government bonds in JP Morgan's Emerging Market Bond Index is expected to attract substantial foreign capital inflows. This move could help offset some of the challenges posed by the population boom, turning potential obstacles into opportunities for growth. Yet, despite these efforts, it's clear that the road ahead is not without its bumps. The balance between harnessing the opportunities presented by a larger population and managing the challenges that come with it will be a delicate one. But if navigated successfully, it could mark a new era for India. In the face of a changing world, India stands at the precipice of an economic revolution. India's economic journey is one of resilience, growth, and untapped potential. As the nation moves forward, the world watches with bated breath. We've journeyed through India's thriving economic landscape, exploring its challenges, opportunities, and the monumental shift as it's poised to surpass China in population. We've delved into the complexities of the Indian economy, from its robust growth rate to the government's ambitious infrastructure plans. But the journey doesn't end here. India's story continues to unfold, and with it, the potential to impact the global economic scene. Don't miss out on future updates on India's economy and more. Subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below, sharing your thoughts on India's economic journey. Stay tuned, stay informed.